Now we demand from, we have some questions. The first question is to Mr. Mohan Bhagwat. We often see him talk big. We often see him describe and educate the country as if the country needs any education from him. We often see him educating us on our culture, on our civilization. Now we demand from Mr. Mohan Bhagwat to inhale, stop talking about the country's civilization, our history, our culture, talk about the culture of your organization called the RSS, which, as you all know, does not have the courage to register itself, which, as you all know, does not have the courage or the propriety to have a membership register for itself. So that deniability becomes easy. We demand to know from Mr. Mohan Bhagwat what is the step the RSS will take against this senior most functionary, and I am told Mr. Mohan Bhagwat is personally very fond of Mr. Nimbaram. What will be the action taken against Nimbaram by the RSS? The country is waiting and watching Mr. Mohan Bhagwat. We also want to know from the Prime Minister of India whether this company BVG does some work for the Prime Minister's office and other offices of this government. Our third question to the Prime Minister of India is whether the same kind of arm twisting is done with this and other such companies to enrich the coffers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Is it true that all your offices of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh being built across the country in almost every district are being done because of the money collected in this manner, in this corrupt manner?